Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guru Diksha channel. Let's begin our one more part of statistics. Welcome to Statistics Intro Part 4. Here we discuss about business analyst. Business analysts need to understand business concepts, skills to extract data on others, they perform marketing operations, financial risks, and every IT needs to them. Industries related to the business analyst: banks, supply chains, e-market like Amazon, Flipkart, supermarket, hospitals, restaurants, airlines like Indigo, Kingfisher, telecom centers, and etc. Business analyst skills required: structured thinking, domain knowledge, SQL, Excel, Python, statistics, predictive modeling, business solution, hypothesis testing. These business analysts are also able to solve the complex problems like data scientists. Use data to driven business decisions. They would like to give segmentation results and simple role-based solutions even at uncertain time. Which education do you need to become BI analyst? Landing a job as a BI analyst should have at least a bachelor's degree in one or more following as computer science, engineering, mathematics, statistics, business administration, finance, economics, or related fields. Technical skills required for BI analyst: advanced SQL skills, advanced Excel skills, advanced Tableau, programming skills in Python or R programming language, data interpretation and recommendations based on findings, development of graphs, dashboards, reports, and presentation of project results. Practical skills required for BI analyst: strong planning and organization skills, learning concepts quickly, analytical skills, ability to work independently in a fast-paced and a rapidly changing environment, presentation skills, ability to design data visualizations and dashboards to communicate complex ideas to business partners, and tradership analysis regarding business analyst career path, starting with business analyst and senior business analyst. Later, we can develop as an analytic manager and a analytics industry leader or a strategy leader. Based on your skills, you can become a CTO or CEO of the company. Some more tips for business analyst. A business analyst is the best friend of business performance, focusing primarily on analysis and reporting of past historical data. Once the relevant data in the hands of business analyst, like data as monthly revenue, customer sales volume, and etc. They must quantify the observations also. Every business analyst motto is data is business and business is data. It's so crazy. Business analyst possess a blend of business vision, consultant abilities, and understanding of data. Analysis of accurate overview of business performance and identifying areas that need improvement are all in the business analyst domain. Another part of business analyst job is continually improve their company's competitive positioning. They examine their competitors, data trends, seasonality, and other random effects to identify issues and best practices. Let's come to our main topic, data scientist. Before knowing about data scientist, what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights about many structural and unstructured data. Let's know about data scientist. Data scientist is a professional responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting and large amounts of data. What does data scientist do? They can do everything practically. Data scientists have a strong curiosity and a passion for achieving practical business impact. There is a knack for creative problem solving and willingness to learn new technologies and skills. Why is that so important? Because data scientists must use machine learning models to solve challenging problems in all business areas. Data scientists model structured data with advanced statistical methods and algorithms to perform analysis. Then they interpret the results and visualize the data to tell the most compelling stories to management and stakeholders to achieve the company business goals. Data scientist is responsible for gathering and cleansing data sets, applying statistical methods, new words, performing more accurate for forecasts. Data scientist has many tools like coding, statistics, design, and business. Education background required for data scientist. A bachelor's degree is good enough to get you as a data scientist path. Landing a data scientist job, the background requires economics and social sciences, which include economics, finance, business studies, politicals, psychology, philosophy, history, and marketing and management. Natural science, including physics, chemistry, and biology, statistics and mathematics, computer science, engineering, data science, and analysis, which includes machine learning is required for data scientists. Probability and statistics, calculus and linear algebra, programming like Python, R and RStudio, SQL relational databases, database management system, data visualization like Tableau and Power BI, machine learning, time series analysis, predictive learning, deep learning, business simulations, hypothesis testing. Soft skills required for data scientists: strong written and verbal communication skills, leadership skills, ability to inspire others and support others, readiness to collaborate with engineering and BI teams. Practical skills required for data scientists: ability to start initiatives, desire to drive innovation and generate unique solutions, growth mindset, accountability, drive for performance. Every organization needs solid data science skills to exploit their data and gain a competitive edge. Top industries we should consider for data science: finance and insurance, healthcare, and manufacturing. If you are looking the data scientist career path, you can start as a data architect or data analyst and gradually work their way up to converted jobs. Today, the demand for data scientists is constantly growing. Data scientists are independent and impactful. My analysis: which topics have to learn for data science. Intro to data, MS Excel, probability, statistics, Tableau, SQL, Python, mathematics, art programming, machine learning, and time series analysis. I hope you that you learn lot more things about statistician, data analyst, PI analyst, and as a data scientist. Meet you on next video. If you want to stay here and learn newly, please do subscribe and get our updates frequently. Have any doubts, please do mention at our comment section. We will respond. Do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye. Meet you on next video.